kiama kia DCP gikirugurio na turikirie kuona very many youth leaders there, among them Yuma Githaiga wa Chai, and it turns out to be that Githaiga wa Chai is serious about vying for the MCA of Zimmerman seat. Muthenya wa muthe nio makuria Lavington kiama kia DCP gikirugurio, na after that akoro akirekereria poster already ni acagurite ati akarugamana kiama kia DCP kiria kiragitongorio ni Rigathi Gachagua. Uhoro uyu ni wamukiritwo na njira nyingi ni andu, kuna watu they are against that, kuna watu they are for that, but that is not the story. Uhoro wi ati umuthi Githaiga wa Chai was the topic of discussion in Senate at some point. Tuonire Senator Nyamu akiumire na gukorwo akiririria Githaiga wa Chai na uria akoretwo akihota go transform fame yake iria akibuildite through kuheana Chai and online dramas, celebrity dramas, and all those things, and of course advocating for people living with HIV and AIDS, and how akoretwo akihuthira fame iyo nigetha akorwo agiteithia. Na Senator METHU akorwo agiconfirm ati nima Githaiga ni akoretwo akiingira kiama-ini kia DCP, and he is running for that political seat.
We have Githaiga wa Chai, a very young man who has risen very fast in popularity. Senator METHU must know him, and he's just a representative of young people who just come up, be themselves.
Senator Nyamu, would you like to be informed by Senator
METHU? Yes, Senator METHU can inform.
Very well.
Just to inform Senator Karen, because she has mentioned Githaiga wa Chai and has said that I must be knowing him. For sure, I know Githaiga wa Chai, and I actually met him today at a place that we were launching a party, and he's a member of our party and he's running for a political position. So he's making the best out of the name that he has created in that arena of Chai.
I hope you're informed.
Thank you, Senator METHU. I think everything that Senator METHU has told me, I already knew. I know the young man is actually vying for a seat in Zimmerman. We are not sure if he's a member. He could be shopping for a party.
No, he already came today.
But that might not be final. Anyway, Mr. Speaker, that is not part of what I was saying.
Now, Githaiga wa Chai akoretwo very resilient na uhoro uyu wake wa gukorwo akienda gukorwo akirun for MCA of Zimmerman, and at the beginning yahanaga tari one of those clouds iria igikorwo guku nenda-ini where we see mundu areyumiria akauga I will run for the MP of Starehe, I will run for the MP of Roysambu, and but eno ya Githaiga it's turning out to be serious. Given a chance ya gukorwo ugikia kura kuria Zimmerman, would you vote in Githaiga? Would you? If you can vote him in, niki kingituma ukorwo ukimuthura, and if you can vote him out, niki kingituma ukorwo ukiaga kumuthura. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.